ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ ವಿಧಾತಾರಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಾರಿಧಿ ಚಂದಿರಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ವತ್ಸಲಂ ವಂದೇ ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮ ಸದ್ಗುರುಂ. ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. Values are extremely important for everyone. When you are guided by your morals and your ethics, you get saved from the darkness beyond. Life is only once. You live it only once. It is a lot of experiences, journeys, your failures and achievements together. Maintaining your morals and ethics along with following your culture and tradition is very far better than following your laws and regulations. Once, there was a saint who used to preach everyone. Knowing this, many people approached him, conveyed their problems and found solutions to them. The same way, the Zamindar also heard about him. He wished to offer something to the saint. The Zamindar was very wealthy, but at the same time was a very miser man. Though he had good quantum of wealth, he never gave it to the needy. He never donated a single penny to the poor people. The saint, knowing about the nature of Zamindar, decided to teach him a lesson. He gave a small dollar and said that it was very precious. The saint asked him to keep it safe and return it to him in his next birth. The Zamindar was baffled for a second, but simply turned back and went home. He couldn't sleep the whole night. Only one thought was going on in his mind. How would I return this to the saint in the next birth? Because don't know what would happen to me after my death. The same thoughts were going on in his mind the whole night. Worried and tense, the next day early morning he rushed to the saint. He explained his worries. The saint simply nodded and said, "When you can't carry a small dollar with you after your death, how come could you take all your wealth along with you?" The Zamindar realized his mistake and put his head down with shame. The saint then said, "Money, fame, relatives, all the worldly pleasures, nothing will go with you. Only your good deeds will come with you after the death." Zamindar understood the words of the saint, and from then on he donated to the needy and poor people. What we learn from this story is, life is what we live only once. The purpose of living it is not to be just be happy. Our existence must be useful. It should be honorable and be compassionate. Our life is only worth if we do good deeds and walk to the path towards the God. This should be our main purpose of life. Thank you.